Hey guys, what's up? Well, we have a new adventure today. Today we're doing a EGR cooler on a 2007 International 4300. So, yep, it's. I'll give you a few pointers on how to know if your EG cooler is going out on your truck. Because this one here has been going out for quite a while. It's just gotten worse like in the last 2 days. So, but the thing you should know is if you're going through antifreeze and it won't hold antifreeze or pressure, if the truck is smoking, you know, like it don't really smoke when you're driving, but it smokes when you stop and go to take off again, like really bad. So, or if you smell antifreeze inside the truck, like say like the antifreeze is burning off the exhaust or something, that's another way to determine if your EGR cooler is going bad. So yeah, are y'all ready? Want to get started? Let's go. Well, it's kind of raining out here. It's a little rainy today, but first things first is we're going to remove this fender and the air cleaner. So let's get them two things off, and then we'll go from there. Alright, we got the air cleaner off. Basically, air cleaner is just these two bolts right here, and then you have to also unplug this from the air cleaner. That's pretty much it. Now we have to take this thing right here. I took the hose off. It's right here. Took that off there. Now we have to loosen it up down here and take this off, so that way we can get into the back, because the EGR cooler is that thing right there. And the looks of it, it goes back there. I'm not sure what kind of bolts there is to take it off yet though, but we'll get to that. So, yep, let's finish stripping her down. Alright, next thing is, we're going to take this hose off right here, and we're going to take that hose off right there. That's the next two hoses. Then we got to take that hose off. I don't know if you can see it here. The hose off way back there, right off the neck. Got to take that off, and then yep, got to take this right here off. But whatever you do, guys, whenever you take things apart here, you just try to make sure you remember where everything goes, so when you put it back together, it makes it a whole lot easier. So yeah, let's get these hoses off, and then probably this thing right here actually connects to the EGR cooler as part of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these bolts off here, and then take these right here off, loosen this away from the EGR cooler, and then yeah, keep going. Yeah, it's an easy job, so it should be done here shortly. So yeah, this is where I've gotten so far. I've gotten that apart, got that bolt out. You don't really have to take them bolts off, because it's got this right here in the center, so it allows it to move around. But what I'm working on now is I'm working on them back bolts back there, and I got to take that hose off. And them back bolts are a pain, so I don't know if you can see it back there, but they're right there. There's two of them, and they are on this truck. Let's see here. It's 5/16, and you need a 12 point. The 3 bolts, the one right here, and then the 2 in the back there, they're 12 points. That way, don't strip any heads or break any bolts, and you're good. And that's what I'm trying to do right now. So Yeah, let's try to get it off, and I'll show you the other one I got. Alright guys, I got it off. Still working on it here. If you notice, I don't know if you can see right here. Just wait till it's like a little pixelated here. But you see, one of my bolts I had to cut off. The other one broke off. This EGR's never been off the truck. It's the original one. So the bolts are generally seized up a lot of times. Sometimes they're not. Sometimes you get lucky. But now I'm having to extract the bolts out of there. Maybe I can twist this in here out or something. I don't know. But I'll get it, because I've extracted bolts before, as you've seen on my how to extract broken manifold bolts, my video on that, which I've had to do before. But I'm going to extract these bolts. You can usually get the bolt extractor from Harbor Freight, and they're pretty cheap and they generally work pretty good. But I'm going to extract these bolts, get them out of here, and then I gotta go get new bolts and then put the new EGR cooler back on. So let's get at it. Well, I'm getting her back together, guys. Yeah, that little deal yesterday was messed up, but I don't know if you can tell, but I got it back on there. I took it somewhere. It cost like $140 to have that thing tapped out, rethreaded, and all that. But the EGR cooler's never been off this truck. This is the second one that's ever been on it. The other one was original, but I got everything tapped, all put back together, just to make sure to put everything back together the way you took it apart. And try not to pull this right here out of the bottom of the engine, because you'll lose all your antifreeze. I accidentally popped out and lost some antifreeze and had to rush and get it back in there, but luckily that's okay. But look, I'm just tightening everything down, getting everything back together, and we'll fill it full of antifreeze and fire it up. Got it all back together, boys. It's all done. Just got to put some antifreeze in her, top it off, and then fire it up and check for leaks. If you've enjoyed this particular video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe, and until next time, God bless and vlog over.